Hey gearheads! Jay Leno here, and today we're diving into the world of engines, specifically, the unsung hero that makes it all happen, the piston. You see that muscle car over there? Or that big rig hauling freight? They might seem worlds apart, but deep down they share a common ancestor, the internal combustion engine. And at the heart of every single one of those engines, you'll find a set of pistons working tirelessly. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a piston and why should I care? Well folks, the piston is the engine's workhorse. It's the component that takes the controlled explosion of fuel and air and translates that raw power into the mechanical force that turns your wheels. Without pistons, your engine is just a fancy paperweight. So how do these metal marvels actually work? Picture this: a cylinder, a tightly sealed chamber, and inside our star player, the piston. This piston moves up and down, and it's this dance that makes your engine roar to life. The process is called the four-stroke cycle. First, the piston moves down, sucking in a mixture of fuel and air. Then, it reverses course, compressing that mixture into a tiny, potent package. Boom! A spark ignites the mix, creating a powerful explosion that forces the piston back down. Finally, it rises again, pushing the spent gases out, ready for the next cycle. This cycle happens hundreds of times every minute in each cylinder. And all those tiny explosions add up to create the horsepower and torque that get your car moving. It's a symphony of controlled chaos, and the piston is the conductor, orchestrating it all. Now, pistons haven't always been the sophisticated pieces of engineering we know today. Early pistons were simple, heavy chunks of metal, often made from cast iron. They got the job done, but they weren't exactly known for their efficiency or longevity. But as with any good invention, necessity was the mother of invention. Over time, brilliant minds came up with ways to make pistons lighter, stronger, and more resistant to the incredible heat and pressure they endure. We're talking forged aluminum alloys, intricate internal cooling galleries, and special coatings that reduce friction. Each advancement brought improvements in performance, efficiency, and durability, allowing engines to become more powerful, fuel-efficient, and reliable. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our constant drive to push the boundaries of what's possible. You see folks, inside an engine it's a real inferno. We're talking temperatures that can melt metal. Managing that heat is crucial, and that's where material science comes in. Early pistons made from cast iron couldn't handle the heat of high-performance engines. They'd warp, crack, and ultimately fail. That's when engineers turned to aluminum alloys. Aluminum is much lighter than iron and dissipates heat more effectively. But it's not just about the material itself. Modern pistons have intricate internal cooling galleries. These channels allow oil to circulate within the piston, carrying away heat and keeping it cool even under extreme conditions. It's like having a miniature radiator built right into the piston itself. Section 5. The long haul combating wear and tear in pistons. Now, imagine the kind of stress a piston goes through. It's constantly moving up and down, thousands of times a minute, enduring those mini explosions and rubbing against the cylinder walls. Talk about a tough job. Over time, this constant friction can wear down even the toughest materials. That's why engineers have developed special coatings and treatments to reduce friction and wear. These coatings are incredibly thin, often just a few microns thick, but they make a world of difference. We're talking about things like molybdenum coatings, which reduce friction and resist wear, and even diamond-like carbon coatings, which are incredibly hard and durable. These advancements ensure that pistons can withstand the rigors of daily driving for hundreds of thousands of miles. Section 6. Efficiency is key, squeezing more power from every drop. In today's world, we're all about efficiency, right? Getting the most out of every drop of fuel is more important than ever. And guess what plays a key role in engine efficiency? You got it, the piston. One way to improve efficiency is by reducing friction. Remember those special coatings we talked about? They not only reduce wear but also help the piston move more smoothly within the cylinder, wasting less energy as heat. Another factor is the shape of the piston crown, the top surface of the piston. By carefully designing the shape of this crown, engineers can optimize the combustion process, ensuring that the fuel burns more completely and efficiently. It's all about getting the most bang for your buck, literally. Section 7. Hybrid harmony pistons in the age of electrification. Now, you might be thinking, Jay, with all this talk about electric cars, are pistons on their way out? It's a common question in today's rapidly evolving automotive landscape, and that's a fair question. With the rise of electric vehicles, it's easy to assume that traditional components like pistons might become obsolete. But the truth is, pistons still have a vital role to play, even in the age of electrification. They are far from being phased out. Hybrid vehicles, which combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, are becoming increasingly popular. These vehicles offer the best of both worlds, providing the efficiency of electric power with the range and power of a traditional engine. And guess what powers that gasoline engine? It's the same technology that's been refined over decades. You guessed it, pistons. These components are crucial for the internal combustion process, converting fuel into mechanical energy. In these hybrid systems, the piston engine often acts as a range extender, kicking in to provide extra power when needed or to recharge the batteries. This dual functionality ensures that hybrid vehicles can travel longer distances without frequent recharging stops. And here's the thing, folks, even in a hybrid, you want that piston engine to be as efficient as possible. Efficiency is key to maximizing the benefits of hybrid technology. That's why all the advancements we've talked about, from lightweight materials to low-friction coatings, are just as relevant in hybrid applications as they are in traditional gasoline engines. These innovations help improve performance, reduce emissions, and enhance the overall driving experience. Section 8. Beyond the piston, exploring alternative engine technologies. Now, I'm a car guy through and through, and I love the rumble of a well-tuned V8 as much as anyone. The raw power, the visceral experience, it's something that has defined automotive culture for decades. But I also understand that the future of transportation is evolving. With advancements in technology, we're seeing a shift towards more sustainable and efficient modes of transport. Electric cars, autonomous vehicles, and even flying cars are no longer just concepts but are becoming a reality. That's why it's exciting to see engineers exploring alternative engine technologies. These innovations are not just about reducing emissions, but also about enhancing performance and efficiency. One promising avenue is the rotary engine, also known as the Wankel engine. This unique design has been around for a while but is seeing renewed interest due to its potential benefits. Instead of pistons moving up and down, a rotary engine uses a triangular rotor that spins inside an oval-shaped chamber. This allows for a more continuous and smoother power delivery. This design is inherently smoother and more compact than a piston engine. It also has fewer moving parts, which can lead to increased reliability and lower maintenance costs. Another intriguing possibility is the use of miniature jet engines known as microturbines. These engines are derived from jet engine technology and have the potential to revolutionize small-scale power generation. These tiny powerhouses are incredibly efficient and can run on a variety of fuels, including hydrogen. This versatility makes them an attractive option for future energy solutions. While still in the early stages of development, microturbines hold promise for a wide range of applications, from hybrid vehicles to portable power generation. As research and development continue, we may soon see these technologies becoming mainstream, offering new possibilities for cleaner and more efficient transportation. Section 9. The road ahead, pistons, and the future of transportation. As we stand on the brink of a new era in transportation, it's essential to reflect on the components that have brought us this far and will continue to propel us forward. So, where does this all leave the piston? This small yet mighty component has been the heart of internal combustion engines for over a century, driving our cars, trucks, and motorcycles. Well, folks, I believe the piston still has a bright future ahead of it. Despite the rise of electric vehicles, the piston remains a crucial element in the automotive world. Even as we transition to more electrified transportation, pistons will continue to play a vital role in hybrid vehicles, powering them for many years to come. Hybrid engines, which combine internal combustion and electric power, rely heavily on pistons to deliver the best of both worlds. And who knows what the future holds? The automotive industry is constantly evolving, and with it, the technology behind pistons is also advancing. Maybe we'll see even more innovative piston designs, pushing the boundaries of efficiency and performance. Engineers are continually experimenting with new materials and designs to make pistons lighter, stronger, and more efficient. Or perhaps pistons will find new life in unexpected applications, powering everything from drones to backup generators. The versatility of the piston means it can be adapted for various uses beyond traditional vehicles. One thing's for sure, the Piston's journey is far from over. From the early days of the automobile to the cutting-edge technology of today, the Piston has been a constant presence. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our relentless pursuit of progress. The Piston represents our ability to innovate and adapt, ensuring that we can meet the transportation needs of the future. And as we navigate the exciting and ever-changing world of transportation, you can bet that the Piston will be along for the ride. Whether in hybrid cars, new engine designs, or entirely new applications, the Piston will continue to be a key player. So, next time you hear that engine roar to life, take a moment to appreciate the humble Piston, the unsung hero that makes it all possible. Its legacy is a reminder of how far we've come and a beacon of the innovations yet to come.